let's go from number of properties, page 8. So this part here is talking about the finding the closest number of smallest to largest, or anything is smallest or the largest. So let's try to do number 1 first. This question actually asking about from largest to smallest, 4/15, 2/5, and 1/3. By comparing this number, you can compare these two right away. Because this is times 3, you got 15, times 3 you got 6. 6 or 15 is larger than 4/5. So I can write down 2/5, then 4/15. Now I can compare 1/3 and 4/15. 1/3 and 4/15, so times 5 times 5. So 1/3 is bigger than 1/15. Now I can compare 1/3 and 3/5. So times 5, you got 15, times 5, you got 5, times 3, you got 5, 15 times 3, you got 6. So 1/3 is in between these two. So the actual answer is 2/5, then 1/3, then 4/15. If you don't want to compare like this by using the cross multiply or finding common denominator, so what you can do is if you know 1/3 in fraction is 33, in percentage is 33 and 1/3%, 2/5 is actually 40%, so this is obviously larger than this. So in this case, this is greater than this, and you compare these two, that's it. Alright, so the next part, number 2. Number 2, which of the following fraction is the smallest? 3/4, 5/6, 7/8, 19/24, and 13/15. So in math, if this is if the numerator is 1 less than the denominator, if both number is bigger than both, like 5 is greater than 3 and 6 is greater than 4, and then 3/4 is 1/4 less than 1, 5/6 is 1/6 less than 1, so 5/6 is obviously larger. So 5/6 is out, 7/8 is out. So you have 3/4 and 19/24 to compare with. So I can compare this one by 4 and 24 because they have a common denominator as a 24. So you times 6, you got 24 times 6, you got 18. 18 is obviously less than 19, so this one is out also. So now the last part is comparing these two. You can cross multiply. 3 times 15 is 45. 13 times 4 is 52. So 52 is larger, so 13/15 is out. So the answer is 3/4, which is A. And the first one answer is C. Now we go number 3. Finally, which of the following fraction largest? Take a look for rows.
3/5, 7/10, 5 over 20. Same concept. Now you compare 5, 10, 4, 20. They are very obvious. 8, 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 6. So this is 3/4 is larger than 5/8. So 5/8 is out. Compare the 5 and 10. 5 times 2, 3 times 2. So 7/10 is larger than 3/5. Out. 10 and 20. 10 times 2 is 7 times 2 is 14. So this is smaller, so this is out. So now you compare these two, you can cross multiply. 7 times 4 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. So 78 is actually so the largest. This is and 19/24. 3/4. So you can compare this with this. This is 2/4, so it's 1/4 away. In this case, I can change to 12 times 3 times 3. So it's 9/12. Then this is 2/12 away, so it's 1/6 away from 3/4. In this case, to compare first, this is actually further away from here because 9/12
Actually it's not. 9 over 12 is 2/12, so it's 1/6 away. So both of these 9 1/6 away, you know this, and 1/4 is even further. So you notice that these two are the same, these are out already. You can have two same answer, and of course this is even further, so this is out. You have these two left over. So you can multiply by 6, multiply by 6, this is 18 over 24. So it's 1/24 away for this. And obviously you can see this case, in this case, I can change to this 18 over 24. So I can change to times 4 times 4. This is 20 over 24, which is 2 over 24 away. So obviously 1 over 24 is closer. So the answer is E. So last questions, number 5. Which of the following closest to half? 5, 12, 8, 15, 11, 20, 31, 60, and 7, 15. So very obvious. Half. This is half is 6 12, so it's 1/12 away from half. Half 7.5 over 15, so it's 0.5 over 15 away, which is 1 over 30 away, 1 over 20 away, 1 over 60 away, and 7.5 over 15, which is 1 over 30 away. The closest one is 1 over 60 away, so the answer is D, 31 over 60.